Okay, here we go. First, I want to say hello, Eric, and thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Again, my name is Jeff, and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video was to show you how to increase the value of your company and its exposure on Google. I'll go over three key factors that are needed to rank your business on Google and increase that exposure, increasing your value. Content, backlinks, and citations. Now, of course, you understand every time you type something in to the Google search engine right here, these are keywords that are typed in that Google looks for websites that best fit the search for what you typed in. Search engine optimization. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to the keyword that was typed in. And then Google categorizes these websites based on their content. That's how you establish rank. You want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. Now, backlinks plays a major role in how you rank. It is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website. Also, citations, name, address, phone number that are a direct reflection of your Google business profile. That is how you rank here in the maps. Um, It's extremely important to be seen in the maps. A lot of people get traffic here from the maps. They Google anything from restaurant to auto repair near me. Directories include Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. So the more often your content and your backlinks and your citations come together, the more exposure that you get. So real quick, you have this is your website, Autobahn Performance, and you're out of Norcross, Georgia. I typed auto repair Norcross, Georgia, and I would want you to be on the first page of Google, but you are not. And I wanted to explain why. There's advertisements like Yelp, Christian Brothers, they're pretty big. But when you're starting to look at competitors and why they're on the page and you are not, I picked Kevin's Mobile Automotive to give you an example or a reference as to how this works. So I have your website and I have a tool. It's called Ahrefs and it shows me what's going on inside of your website. I see that you have 304 referring domains and 587 backlinks. Again, like I said, backlinks are a link from one website to another, like an endorsement. I also see your content and keywords. You have 4,000 keywords and 7,000 a month in traffic based on those keywords. To explain why you're not on the first page, I used Kevin's mobile repair and I also plugged him into the same tool. Now he's got 278 backlinks with 20 domains referring to him, and here is his keyword traffic. Now you're probably wondering, why is it that he's on the first page with 278 links and I am not on the first page with 587 links? It's important to understand that not all backlinks are created equal. So, for example, you wouldn't want an ice cream shop referring back to you when it doesn't have as much strength behind it as another auto repair backlink or website. So, to give you an idea of how this is working, it took me a second to figure this out while I was digging through here, but I wanted to take a look at your backlinks and show you the traffic that's coming from these links that you're connected to. 26 million. It's a lot of traffic. That's great. And you have a lot of backlinks. Now, just here on the first page is where it gets interesting. This backlink, this backlink, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And that's just on the first page. These particular backlinks aren't strong enough. Their domain ranks are low. They don't carry enough weight for you. So it's as if they're dead in the water. So they're not bringing enough endorsement, and Google's not recognizing them enough to move you to the first page of Google. And for example, we'll take a look at his 278 backlinks. So we have his traffic and his strength. And this is on the first page just as well. 1,000, 10 million, 10 million, 2,000, 10 million, and the ranks again 90, 76, 84, 90, 76, 90, 10 million. So you can see right here, this is a great example that his backlinks are stronger, and he has more domain traffic. So understanding not all links are created equal gives you some insight as to why he has less, but he's on the front page opposed to you. This is a lot of exposure. Like I said, when you type in keywords, auto repair Norcross, you want to be seen right here. And if you didn't understand why, hey, why is my page not up here? I don't see it. I'm killing it with these keywords. Keywords are excellent. There's a lot of traffic coming in for your keywords. I will give you an example of what's going on with that. You may or may not already know, but these are your top keywords, and this is the traffic per month that they're getting. Engine shaking. Why does my car windows fog up? Shock absorber replacement. Overheating and smoking. Can I drive 200 miles on a donut? Yeah, you can. Just lower the air pressure because it'll get hot and expand. Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, that's funny. But yeah, keywords are excellent. So it isn't a keyword factor and not so much a content factor, but it is definitely the backlinks that are coming together that are causing an issue or reducing your exposure for Google. That being said, once all of this comes together, you start to outrank and you'll see yourself moving to the first page. Um, Not all websites are built equally. Not all backlinks are equal. So I just wanted to take a second to show you that. With that being said, I want to thank you for your time. I appreciate it. I hope you have a better understanding of how all that works and ties together to build your website and get you ranked, backlinks and citations. It's important. And it'll increase your exposure. So if you find yourself wanting more information, we should talk. I could do some research, find out exactly what would be realistic for you and your business. In the meantime, thank you for watching and have a great day.